Today we're going to cook a Thai pasta salad. So I like spicy, and we're gonna need this. You can find this in Costco. See right here? It says Q-Pie deep roasted sesame dressing. So we need this, and I'm already cooking the pasta. So we're gonna drain it pretty soon. I don't have much selection. Usually I use the regular spaghetti, but this time we're going to use the angel hair because I don't have any other kind. And basically what we're doing right now is we have lots of leftover Costco chicken, well, Sam's Club chicken. So what we're trying to do is try to make a gourmet dinner for everybody that you can make a lot. You can keep it in the refrigerator. I like it. It's one of my favorite. So we'll shred the chicken. I already washed my hand. So we'll shred all your leftover chicken. Take out the skin, put it there, whatever, how big chunky do you want. We're already cooking the pasta, so it's gonna come out pretty soon. So it takes about 10 minutes to cook it. So chicken, more chicken. I don't know what's happening. We're supposed to be social distancing. Today we ran out of chicken because my dog doesn't eat dry food. He has to have chicken. So I went there in Sam's Club, I feel suffocated. The parking lot was full. I thought we're supposed to be social distancing. I know, I'm one of those, but I have the scan and go. So pretty much I leave and I go in and get out. Anyway, so lots and lots of chicken. You can pretty much do all your chicken. So we got that, and my chicken my spaghetti is done. So I'm going to pretty much okay. We don't want it to be overcooked, so we want to make sure that we have a good al dente, right? Is it al dente? Al dente. Oh, it's not done yet. So we put it back more. Put it back more. I said 10 minutes. That's not even 10 minutes yet. Anyway, for the meantime, we need, okay, what do we need? Ready for that. We need pot. We need ice. Lots of ice. We need lots and lots of ice so we can cool off the pasta, basically. So, chicken, pepper, because I like it spicy. And for some people, they like a little bit sweet, so you can put some sugar. I think the sweetness on this dressing, it's already good enough. And let me see. Like I said, this one, you can find it in Costco. So it's pretty good. So we're just waiting for the pasta to cook. Make it more, not too soft, because it's pasta for like a salad. So you'll see how it come out after. Anyway, so while we're waiting for the pasta, so most of you knows what I do for a living. I'm a mortgage broker. And of course, our governor and also the media is telling you to skip your payments. Well, don't do that, because you're going to end up with having a credit late on your reporting, and also you might end up owing more than what you think you can afford to pay, because those are they're offering mainly forbearance. So basically is they're going to defer your payment for maybe 3-4 months, and at the end of 3 or 4 months you are going to end up paying it all at once. So where does it leave you? nothing. So you're gonna keep yourself, you know, getting buried and buried and buried, and then more money. Now it's gonna be like heading to foreclosure and more problem, right? So if you can afford to pay, please. Don't listen to the media. Just keep going. Live your life like normal. And you know, our government is actually trying to give you a lot of money so you can keep you know, you can keep your obligations together. So anyway, so we're still waiting for that. What's for dinner? Well, we're making a Thai chicken pasta from the leftover. I'm pretty sure you have a lot of leftover because you're sick and tired of cooking at home. So just get all the leftover together and we're gonna put it together. So that's what's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm cooking my leftover chicken, and you're gonna like it. It's one of my favorite, and you'll be amazed that it would look like a gourmet that you went to a $50 plate. Well, not maybe $50, but a gourmet restaurant. I like to cook. So we're waiting on that one. Oh, that one is already done. You can tell that this pasta is pretty much done when it's a little bit, you know, the color changed to white. So that one is pretty okay, that one is done. I know you can't see it. I'm actually straining it, so I'm just gonna wash it and stop cooking it. So just wash it and stop cooking it because I don't want the pasta to get soggy. So you want to make sure you wash it in cold water and put it in ice water too, because this pasta is meant for cold, basically. Yes, 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 yes. So we're gonna make it cold. Cold, 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 cold. Most of the cooking that I prepare at home is less than 20 minutes. I know a lot of chefs, they do like all preparation. I do the shortcuts because I like to cook and I like the variety, and I just don't have time to be cooking or, you know, cooking for like a long time. But I do love to cook. I just don't like the preparation. And I don't do meal prep. I always make it all fresh, unless I'm putting together the leftover, like what I'm doing right now. So, anyway. So the pasta is pretty good. We're done. It's getting cold. Getting cold, cold, cold. So I cooked 1 pound. I use Barilla. Because you can, you know, Barilla is a good product because it never gets soggy. However, you know, like it doesn't get really, really, like, what do you call it? Smush. Because a lot of pasta almost like it melts, but this one it doesn't. So even if you overcook it, it doesn't get smushy. Okay. A lot of noise, huh? Just gonna strain it, take the water out. I think you guys would like this one. Okay. Anyway, so that is the pasta. It's already drained and it's already cold because I used the ice. So that's what I want, ice cold pasta. So you can put your dressing, which is this one. I use 1 cup. And you can put as much as chicken as you want. Just stir it up. Guess what? We're gonna put some carrots. You can buy this already shred, so you don't have to do all of those hard work. And then you can put also this sweet kale. And I suck in opening stuff here. Oh my goodness. So it's gonna be really pretty healthy. You don't need all of that. Yes, I like it a lot. I put all of it, because I like it with a lot of veggies. And just keep stirring it, and a lot of people actually like it moist and more dressing. For me, this is good dressing already, but a lot of people, they like their pasta salad really moist. So if you want to, you can put some more. So, but for now, this is good. And then you can put a little bit of soy sauce, maybe a teaspoon of soy sauce. So just a teaspoon of soy sauce, just for the color mainly. Ooh, that's it. For the color and for the scent of this. So remember, chicken, so easy. Leftover chicken, this pasta, I like it with spicy. So I grind this and I put maybe a teaspoon of it because I like it spicy. Can I get a plate? Or the white bowl or something. Oh my god, this is really good. It's done. Look. So, but David likes it a little bit moist, so I'll put a little bit more, but I don't think you need it more, but just very little. Mostly I just want 1 cup, but maybe I put maybe just a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons or 1 teaspoon maybe. So how easy is that? Look how easy is that, right? Okay. I am going to eat it. I can't do the twist. Usually, like the professional chef, they can twist the pasta. And now you can taste it. This is dinner for us. See how easy it is? What? It's less than 20 minutes. Bon appetit. Mmm. Perfect. So if you guys are tired of eating, ordering food, and you have so many left over, like I did, we have so many chicken, leftover chicken, it's easy. Just boil the pasta. This is your friend. I always have stock with this because this is the best one. And then a little pepper. How easy is that? What do you guys think? Well, I hope you enjoy our little session here, and this is one of your quarantine meal. Talk to you guys later.